Good morning, or afternoon, or evening, wherever you may be, however you may be listening, etc., etc. Let me finish this food. Oh, shoot. Got to get set up on TikTok as well. Give me 1 second, everybody. Emilio. All right. I am set up with my microphone. What's up, everybody? KSM Kusama. I'm bullish on Polkadot, so very bullish on Kusama. But I don't have a price prediction, and for MakerDAO, I don't have a prediction as well. Good afternoon, Coaster Stone, Vex Sun. Hello. For those of you on YouTube, you know the drill. I'm going to try to keep up as much as possible, but things are just getting way too hot, even on YouTube. So I will try. Oh yeah, you were about to answer me with the voyeur Mark Cuban partnering when my kid walked in. No, Christiana, I just started. I mean, it seems legit. So yeah, get $100 instead of using my referral code. Get $100. Sign up on Voyager. If you're already signed up on Voyager, then maybe sign up a family member, or a spouse. So, what's up, Robert Cordova? I'm good. Yeah, I'm live. So I hope you're good. Yeah, I got up to 850 on TikTok. Now, here's something. Nice, Astruval. Here's something. We're back. I will say, in May, I had about 1,000 people on my live streams, but I had, half as many followers back then as I do now. So it's one of those things that it's like, we may get up to 2,000 at the peak. What's up, Trump rules again? I like the video before we get all sucked in. Yeah. What do you think about the metaverse? It was bound to happen. I mean, I'm not excited that Facebook is, taking the lead on that, but it is what it is. Let's talk Shiba. Shiba's going to consolidate for a while. Croatia. Okay. Let me think. Oh, no, I know people from the Czech Republic, not Croatia. Aside from the Croatian footballers. At this point, USDT is more volatile than XRP. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, that's true. What do you think about Raoul Powell's prediction for Ethereum to 40K? If ETH 2.0 happens sometime soon, then awesome. Yeah. When do you think is altcoin season? Alts are going to pump in November, but altcoin season I think is going to be January. What do you think about SafeMoon and Litecoin? I don't like SafeMoon. I like Litecoin for short-term gains, but not for long-term. It's a short-term play for me, and SafeMoon is absolutely a short-term play. So what's up, Just James? What's up, Roosevelt? Are we bound for takeoff or expect a down movement for short-term? I think November 1st we will see a new all-time high for Bitcoin, and then it's not it's not going to be like last week, which was a fake out. It's going to be, thank you, Jojo. It's going to be one of those things where we're just going to take off after that. So you're not going to do this again, Doja Dog. I'm muting you for this chat. All right. Sorry, this guy was telling me to look at, shilling XPR the whole live stream. It was really annoying. Chainlink opinion, $100. What we think about quant lately? I don't think it's being manipulated. I just think it's settling down after months of pumping. I think we're good. Josh, I'm gonna mute you. All right, Josh is gone. Let's see. Emilio, thank you so much again. Do you own any NFTs? What do you think of them? NFTs are here to stay. Very, very excited about NFTs. I wasn't too excited at the beginning because, there was random pieces of crap selling for an ETH. This is ridiculous. But what crypto do you think will rise like crazy? A lot of microcaps will rise. Justin, gaining weight. Yep. Jace B got a notification for my live. Awesome. All right. Wow. I'm so far behind. What do you think about, answered that. Call me crazy about when Voyager truly takes off in maybe a year or two. VGX token might reach $50 and $100. That's the middle of the bear market, Carlos. I mean, eventually, yeah, but Not right now. Thoughts on Shiba? Hold off on Shiba for a little bit. Got DAG, Moonbag. I don't have any DAG. No. VeChain at 50 cents, maybe $1. Take on Baby Doge. I'm not paying attention to Baby Doge at all. Amp Ever to $10. Was that you spamming on my different videos? Yeah, I think Amp will one day be worth $10. Maybe the next cycle, maybe the cycle after that. What do you think Bitcoin will be in the bear market? Whatever the 200-week simple moving average is. So whatever that rises to, I think it'll rise to about $50,000. And yeah, please don't do that again about, spamming in my comments. So yeah, so I think about 50,000. Getting involved with some DAOs, learning a lot. Good. Facebook's metaverse feels like a season of Black Mirror. That's a good point. Is now a good time to load up on altcoins after ETH and Bitcoin pump? I think it's a great time. Yeah. I know maybe you heard me, but dropping my VXV now. Ooh, yeah. See, that's the time. I'll probably buy your VXV. So thank you, Clarence. What will be the bottom for Litecoin in the bear market? I'll just say 90%. How about that? Do I have a mana prediction? I don't, but bullish. So yeah, Christian, Doge, Shiba, Elon Mars, Safe Thor landing. I got 26 Litecoin. When do I make money? November is going to be a good month, and January is going to be a good month. Litecoin prediction, $1,500. CKB, don't know enough about CKB. Do I think Quant will go up? Yes. Do I like Catgirl? Catgirl, I'm just being logical about Catgirl. It's up 20,000% in the last month. Somebody commented on one of my videos, it's already up 20,000% and it's going to 1,000x from here. If it 1,000x from here, it would be worth trillions. Market cap would be trillions and trillions of dollars. It's not happening. It would be the biggest crypto in the world. Fractal, I have a little bit of Fractal. I think it's going to pump. So VRA is a big, it's safe and it's going to pump pretty hard. I've been saying 10x for a while, but I looked at the chart today and it's like it's already 2x since I said that. So at least 10x from there. What do I think of AMP? I love AMP. I'm saying 50 cents or so. Bitcoin is 60 to 70K next week. I think so, yeah. Whatever happened to Theta, it's still around. I know that it's been rough lately, but I'm bullish on Theta. Vet in One, I don't know enough about One, but VeChain, I love VeChain. Top 10 for me. I think it's going to 50 cents, maybe $1. You hear about Photoshop creating an NFT on its platform? I did not. Naka thoughts? Do you mean Haka, Jojo? Because I'm very bullish on Haka. Thank you for all of you following me on TikTok. I would strongly recommend that you follow me on TikTok for those of you watching this live stream right now. A beginner investment, Bitcoin or Ethereum. I did not hear about Photoshop creating an NFT on its platform. What do you think ETH Classic will be this cycle? About $300. Thoughts on Nord? I don't know about Nord. Which DeFi platform do you trust the most to get loans against profits? Probably Celsius. SHIB, stay away from SHIB for a little bit. Doge to $1. Why does it go up on the beginning of the month? Is there a reason? That's not normal. It's just, it happened on October 1st. I think it's going to happen again on November 1st. I think Plan B is being very influential right now. And so people are seeing his worst case scenarios for the month, and they're kind of going along with that. So next month, $96,000. Thank you, Bobby Soso. What's up with SafeMoon? SafeMoon's up, and it's going to continue to go up. Litecoin prediction, $1,500. Dash prediction, I'm sorry, I don't have one. How high can Shiba go? I think 0.0002. So think about buying VXV since it's cheap right now. That's it. Like somebody else was saying that they're going to give up on VXV. I'm like, all right, I'll buy your VXV. Where to start? Bitcoin and Ethereum. Catgirl is crashing. I did not see that. Hello, everywhere. One. Top altcoins to load up on. Start with the top 20. I think as Bitcoin crosses its all-time high, which I think is going to happen on November 1st, then the major alts will start pumping, and then go more till middle alts and then minor alts. How do I feel about Phantom? I think Phantom is going to do very well still throughout this run. I know that it's consolidating right now. It's pumped like crazy. So Phantom is at $2.98. I think it could still 5x from here. So still have any meme stocks? Yes, I have GameStop and an AMC. What coins do you want? Meme coins, big meme coins like Doge and Shiba Inu will be very easy to accumulate, and because they're just going to flatline, and also Solana and Quant. How do you perform? Why don't I'm going to try to get a punk in the bear market floor price. I'm going to grab one. So But Ethereum Classic will outperform Ethereum on the way up, but it's going to crash really hard. Let's see. Some say the next bull run in 2024 will be the last. I think it'll get less volatile after that in general, but I don't necessarily agree with that. You said meme season. Where can I buy low cap coins? PancakeSwap.finance is the meme coin the meme coin central. Meme coin central. Yeah, Bitcoin will be north of 93,000 by Christmas. I agree. Kishu Inu. I mean, whatever. It's another one of those meme coins that, you know, we're going to enter meme coin season 2.0. We're early. Guys, for those of you on TikTok, I am live on YouTube right now. There's no way I can keep up with the TikTok chat, but I'm trying as hard as I can on YouTube. So can we see any market correction soon to fill the bag? I think Bitcoin's going to go up to $100,000 in November and then have a 25% correction. So that'll be a time to fill the bag. But right now, I would say now is the time to buy. So yeah, Scarface, I see. So you're asking that on TikTok and on YouTube. Cool. ICP, $300 or so. 200, 300, ETH to 20,000. I think more like 15,000. All in already with ADA, Litecoin, ETH, and DOT. Excellent. I'll buy your VXV. Me too. Yeah, why sell at a loss? Things are going to pump. Good day, Max. I have 5K worth of Litecoin. When should I sell? I think January, but we'll see. You know, you see it go parabolic, you got to sell. What am I drinking? Oh man, I'm so far behind. I am drinking a bubbly. Theta prediction $50. You said you were trying to low cap gems on KuCoin. Which coins are you buying in anticipation of alt season? Honestly, it's whatever CVO Crypto recommends. I'm on his Telegram group. I'd recommend it. It does cost money, but you know I can show somebody else's Telegram group. What do you recommend us for valuable info on altcoins? Yeah, same deal. Also heard of the Photoshop NFT things. All right, Everywhere One came up from TikTok. Excellent. Nakamet Nakamoto Gaming. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm not familiar with it at all. Lossless this bull run, much higher. I don't have a price prediction though. 2 days before the end of October, looks like you are gourmet to be on spot. Going to be on spot. Yeah, I'm just following. Going to be on spot. I'm just following Plan B there. So Floki still has room to go up. Elon and Moonrise is on fire. Everything's on fire. I mean, all the meme coins are on fire right now. So Hoj consolidating at 6/100ths of a cent. What hot wallet do you trust the most? I mean, I think you're just talking about regular wallets. I'd say Voyager. So Mana and HBAR, how do you feel about those? I'm bullish on both, very bullish on both. So $2 for HBAR, no price prediction for Mana, but higher. Can we see any market corrections? Answer that. Just got in the market. Is now a good time to buy, or should I wait? I'd say it's time. It's time to buy. I've been saying for several weeks to be all in by the end of the month, and I said the same thing. Be all in by the end of September, and then on October 1st we pump like crazy. I think that the same thing's going to happen again. The Telegram group that I said to join is CVO Crypto's Telegram group. Just look it up. Is it good to get Ethereum now? Same deal. I mean, Ethereum is at an all-time high, but I think it's going to $15,000. Is market cap just how much money is invested? Yes. Thoughts on Matic? Very bullish on Matic. I think it's going to $8. I've been saying that for a while. I will be busy with school and work. Will your course be available for everyone, or will there be a limited amount of people? It's going to be available for everyone, Oscar. When do you think meme coin peak will end after alts? I just think everything's going to peak at the same time for alts. Memes, alts, etc. Litecoin will reach more than 1,000. I think so. Did Shiba reach all-time high? It did yesterday or 2 days ago, something like that. ETH gas fees are killing me. Oh, man. Yeah, ETH gas fees. What will the price for ETH be in the bear market? I'm thinking like 2,500 to 3,000. Christian, sorry, I have seen that my live stream is lagging on YouTube. What's up, C. Voss? Foxtrot Tactical, ever heard of Ratcoin? I have not looked at Ratcoin at all for probably predictable reasons. So, oh man, I'm so sorry. I have to go back down to the bottom of the YouTube chat. ADA to $8. Will SHIB hit a penny? Maybe not this cycle, maybe like one day. I mean, it's a $4 trillion market cap. You know, it's one of those things. When would Shiba Inu be worth $4 trillion? Maybe if Bitcoin is worth 100 trillion or more, then maybe. So Darius, you're here. Excellent. Not like, but think we'll do well. There are some researchers said quantum computers able to hack blockchain and crypto. What's your opinion of this statement? Will Bitcoin dead? I'll believe it when I see it. I think that the technology will progress for not only for quantum computing. I think that'll be an asset for for Bitcoin as well. That they'll be, that the technology is going to progress for everybody. Shiba is still going up. I mean, it's holding on pretty well. I already said if SHIB would hit a penny. No. Lusa Soul. What? Cody, don't know enough. Should I take profit on ETH or stake it for 2.0 on Coinbase? Oh man, it's just my personal note. There's what? Okay. Anyway, it's really hard to say right now. I want to know when ETH 2.0 is going to launch. Do we dump more? Nope. Worried about VXV, OC Pet Doctor? I'm not worried. If you sell it, I'm going to buy it. What are your thoughts on XLM and LTC? XLM $5 or sorry $3, $2 to $3. Litecoin 1500. Dogelon. I'm not paying attention to Dogelon. Quant Stamp. I don't know anything about it. Sorry. When do we see Shiba hitting 0.0002 by November or January? I would say January. Looking to purchase some Solana. Oh my goodness, I'm already so far behind. Would now be a good time to get in. Again, I'm saying be all in. Whatever you're looking to purchase, be in by the end of the month. AVAX target like 200 to 300. I'm not worried at all about VXV. What's up, Aesthetics Mans? XRP $8 to $10, AMP 50 cents. Am I currently holding my exchange coins on exchange or a wallet? I will be holding my coins on exchange even in the bear market. I want the returns. Do you think MetaMask or decentralized wallets are safer than hard wallets? No. Well, no, not at all. No. Hard wallets are easily going to be the safest things. I want returns. 10K in 5K in Litecoin, 5K in HBAR. I think that's great. I think you'll do very well. I don't really have opinions. I mean, I would diversify a little bit more, but that's fine. Can Bitcoin have another pump in 2022 over 300K? That seems unlikely to me. I think, if Bitcoin peaks at 300K, could that happen in 2022? Maybe early 2022. But if it peaks at like 200K in December and then goes down from there, that's going to be the end. So read questions. I'm trying so hard. There's 600 people in this live stream. Meaning 39.48 billion went over. I'm not sure what you're saying, Brian. Thoughts on AVAX? Again, I've been saying $200 to $300. Pancake Swap has taken all my BNB. Every swap I try for SafeMars. What? Big Merc. I'm sorry, man. That sounds awful. No idea what to say. Cardano $8. When you make these predictions for potential peak value, how long in the future are you thinking? Like literally 2 to 3 months. Any thoughts on Glitch? No, sorry. Airweave, I'm not familiar with it. Yeah, I see that comment. Who said that? Somebody about talking 200K, got to break 70 before we start jumping over 100%. All right, let me talk about that real quick. Historically, when we've broken through the all-time high, within a span of 10 to 34 days, Bitcoin's price doubles. And so I'm expecting the same thing to happen again this time. So yeah, we have to get above $70,000 before going to all-time highs. Like, thank you, Magic Johnson. Oh man. All right, I'm gonna call an audible here. I am going to stay live on YouTube. And so for those of you who want to stay on this live stream, those of you on TikTok, hop on over to YouTube, but I am going to end the live stream on TikTok and keep it going on YouTube. It's overwhelming right now. But follow me on TikTok. For those of you on TikTok, I am your go-to guy for Bitcoin. Okay. So, all right, I am done on TikTok. Sorry. I'll be back on TikTok this afternoon, but not right now. So when approximately do you think ETH will hit 15K, January or February? I'd say January. Storage target, none. Sorry, I don't know enough about it. What meme coins would you buy at the moment? I have no idea. I would recommend doing a deep dive and finding something that hasn't really pumped like crazy, but no, Shiba's trash. So what was I just saying? Yeah, meme coins, you just got to do your own research. Your opinion is just as good as mine with meme coins. Blockchain Boy thinks Cardano will not perform well in November. What are your thoughts on that? I disagree. Major alts are going to perform well as soon as Bitcoin crosses that all-time high. How long do you think this bull run will last? Until January for altcoins. Trios is about to break out. I don't have any predictions, but it's about to break out. So when should I sell my ETH and move it all to Litecoin and ETH Classic for short-term gains? All of your ETH? Oh, no, you didn't say all of your ETH. I mean, probably middle of November if you're going to do that. I wouldn't necessarily recommend that, but yeah, probably middle of November. Hot 5 or 9 cents. I mean, between those two, I'd say 9. XRP $8 to $10. Theta $50. Max doing really well. Where do you see it going? $8. All right, as well, there are a lot of people working on quantum encryption, so the everyday person does not need to worry about quantum computing breaking all of society. Good, Anish. Yes. Do you think XRP will go higher than $10 if lawsuit is over before the peak? I could see that. Yeah. Do you have a fractal prediction? No, but I own some fractal and I'm very bullish on it short term. Any way to stake stablecoins in a cold wallet? Not that I know of. That would be great. Aave, 4 figures, maybe 2,000. Is Cardano going to $10? It's possible. I'm saying more like $8. But Benjamin Cohen, who's, he's very, very reserved, a very straightforward guy. He thinks that Cardano is going like $12. So what do you think about the Shiba billionaire? Nothing. I don't think about him at all. Thank you again, Emilio. I'll get to your question in a second here. Oh man, you guys it's even faster here. Cake breakout time frame in the end. I need moderators. I don't think I do. When and why did you get into crypto? Emilio, man, that's such a long question to answer. I bought my first crypto in 2013, but really I did a deep dive on the 2008 crash. And the fundamentals that bring people to crypto, kind of the Austrian economics, it makes a ton of sense. So that's all I'll say. Solana prediction, $6. What do you think about Teacher? I don't know anything about Teacher. Sorry, I'm not even going to be able to keep up with the YouTube chat here. LRC predictions, I don't know anything about LRC. First 10 days of November thoughts, Moon. We're going much higher. I wouldn't be surprised if on November 10th, Bitcoin was like $80,000. Solana 600. Good to have Ethereum. It's great to have Ethereum. Yes. King XRP. If you're just talking about XRP, $8 to $10. You can stable coins on your Ledger hardware wallet. Okay, good to know. Nakamoto Games thought. I just heard of it for the first time today, so I don't know anything about it. Algorand prediction $7. Moonlift. I know nothing about Moonlift. Is that a meme coin? AVAX $200 to $300. Okay, Nathaniel, please stop. I know that I answered your question already, so you won't keep spamming, but you've got to please stop doing that. How do I get Bitcoin for free? You can download the Voyager app, use my referral code ALE749. You get $25 of free Bitcoin, and you will skip the waiting list. All right, where is Christian? Hey, Christian, comment again real quick, and I'm going to make you a moderator. Yeah, Algorand prediction, $7. Did you say VRA could do a 10x? Yes. Farm, I don't know anything about Farm. What's the top for Bitcoin this bull run? $200,000. Blocktopia, I think, is going to pump really hard. I know it has been pumping already, but I don't have any price predictions. Meta Dubai, I know nothing about Meta Dubai. I really don't know anything about Engine. Sorry. Aside from, gaming, which makes, gaming very bullish on gaming for crypto. Telcoin there's 3 cryptocurrencies, smaller cap, more like mid cap that I'm recommending people get into right now. Telcoin is one of them. Zilliqa and VRA are the other 2. So I have not seen Meta Inu, a man by Zuck. All right. Not interested. So can you briefly share some insight on how you determine the validity for how good a project is? Probably the biggest thing, Max, is I want to see the future. Like, we are in the Stone Age when it comes to blockchain technology right now. So if something can show me the future, or something can fill a need, like AMP fills a need, Quant fills a need. That's why I'm very bullish on both of those long term. Internet computer, as much as I hate it, fills a need. So yeah, VRA bullish. Thanks for all your input. Joined CVO Crypto a while back, and your advice has been great. Thank you, John McCarty. Parsec, I know nothing about Parsec. Anchor to $1. Trios higher. All right, Christian, here we go. Add moderator. There we go. Let's see. Hey, Mark, I'm doing well. I hope you're doing well. Yeah, Tel and Zil along with VRA. I think those will do all very, very well. So our meme coin is the best way to make quick profits, the best way to make quick profits, and the best way to lose a lot of money. Both are true. Is Bitcoin a good option to start for a first timer? It's the best or second best option. I'd say Bitcoin or Ethereum. VRA 10x to $1. Do I think? Yes. Yes. Sun. I don't know anything about Sun. You said altcoin run would end around January. What are about large caps? When is their run over? Yeah, large caps are a little bit different. So I could see Solana and Cardano peaking in January or in December, maybe Luna. But I think just most cryptos, including most large caps, will peak in January. Prediction for Neo and Zilliqa. Neo, I don't have one, at least back to its 2018 high. Zilliqa, again, $1 or so. Matic, $8. Axie Infinity, who knows about Axie Infinity? I think short-term Axie could go to $200. I mean, it's at $150 right now. It's insane. Axie is insane. So, I don't know. How can we change your opinion about Shiba? You always said it's trash, but you owned it. Yeah, I saw your question on TikTok. Shiba Inu is trash. I did not change my opinion about Shiba Inu. But you know what? I'm ghetto. I'm fine owning trash if I think it's going to pump. But at the same time, Shiba Inu and Doge and SafeMoon, they're all going to crash really, really hard in the bear market. So, our Canadian best wallet in this point in time, where should I put my $3,000? I don't have an option for Canadian wallets. If anyone's from Canada, could you please give a recommendation? But Bitcoin and Ethereum to start out. If you're starting out, just Bitcoin and Ethereum. Again, Parsec, I don't know anything about Parsec. I bought Block as a joke 2 to 3 weeks ago. LSS as well, only had 100 for each. Wish I sold POLS and put like 500 in ETH. Well, good job. Yeah, Solana, again, $600. RVN, Ravencoin. I really don't know. I'm sorry. Danny, if you believe what he say, I do. Just all right. Thank you, Chris. When do you think the market will crash? January, December? Well, the overall market, January. So how do you take profits on quant when you don't know how high it will go? Just when you see it go like this, take profits. Have you looked into Senso? I have not. Am I in NFTs? If so, what's the best place to buy? It just depends, I mean, I have 2 NFTs. I'm going to buy NFTs in the bear market. I'm not buying any more NFTs. I have 2. They're not doing well. And, I was a cheapskate. I threw small amounts of money at them. But, OpenSea, that's the place where most NFTs are. But you got to deal with Ethereum gas fees. There's salonart.io, which has very low fees and some really good NFT projects. So, Natalie, thank you. Do I leverage trade? I started leverage trading very recently. And I do as I say, not as I do. I said, don't do leverage trading, but I looked into it more, and 5x leverage trading, for the most part is okay. It's okay. Just, be careful. But I did a 5x, Bitcoin leverage trade, and I'm still in it, and a 5x Litecoin. So yeah, our meme coins answered that. Luna prediction, $100 to $200. That sounds about right. 200 people on the live. Yes, sir. Will ETH flip Bitcoin over the next 10 years? I believe so. And I don't believe that's going to affect Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin is just going to do what it does. And if Ethereum is bigger than it, then so be it. So Telcoin end of the year, I don't know, but January, at least a 10x from here would be my guess. Thoughts on Tether? I'm not worried about Tether. Tether, the big scare with Tether was in January, earlier this year. They settled with Letitia James, the Attorney General in New York, and that was the biggest hurdle. There's no FUD. I mean, there's always FUD introduced to the system, and the people who are in trouble related to Tether, it's personal stuff. It's not Tether. So, all right, Honey Badger loaded up on Litecoin. Excellent. Can't wait for the bear course. Thank you. Phantom prediction about $15. VRA prediction higher, maybe $1. Telcoin, I don't have a specific prediction for that. I take the graph in my Coinbase card rewards. Do you have a price prediction for the graph? I don't, but my friend CVO Crypto thinks $20 to $25. Should I take his 50% loss of Doge and put it all in Bit? I mean, sure. I do think that Doge has the potential to outperform Bitcoin on the way up, but it is gonna crash really hard at the end, and Bitcoin won't. So it's probably safer. All right, BRD is a good wallet. There we go. NM, I'm not live on TikTok. It was overwhelming. I ended my TikTok live stream. After Bitcoin crashed, then we'll have alt season. Not a crash, but like it'll have a distinct peak, I think. And then people will take their money and put it into alts, and that'll be the end. Should I keep my stocks on Trust Wallet? Your stocks, you mean your coins? Yeah, that's fine. Trios really took off. Yep. Thank you, Christian. Yeah. $600 for Solana. Have I spoken to Jasmine? I don't know anything about Jasmine. I'm sorry. Block Nathaniel. Okay. Are you planning on staking up on anything else during the bear market other than Solana, Quant, Doge, and Shiba? Oh yeah. I'll buy 30 different cryptos in the bear market. I'm doing research. I'm making videos. I'm giving timing, everything like that. I'll definitely be buying Bitcoin and Ethereum, more Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'll buy plenty, but I hope to put like 6 figures into Solana and Quant. So AVAX prediction, $200 to $300. Just got into leverage trading and it's life changing if you really manage your risk and throw away get rich quick mentality. Yeah, yes. He gave me WAP, expect my call. What? Do you say VRA could do a 10x? I've been saying that for a while, but VRA has been pumping a lot. I might need to take another look at that. So Anchor, $1, teaser for your course. When do you start accumulating in the bear market? December of 2022. If Bitcoin peaks in December of this year, that's probably going to be around the time when you start accumulating again. Not for alts, not for most alts, but for Bitcoin and Ethereum and Litecoin, yes. And then I'll have to take a look at some other cryptos and make an analysis. Like Shiba Inu and Doge, you don't buy those until 2024. What software do you use for your technical analysis? I mean, I'm not as much of a TA guy as I am an on-chain analytics guy. So I look at glassnode.com a ton. Mana and Sand went ham after Facebook announced Meta. Oh, I didn't even think about that. That's probably why so many people are asking me about Mana today. Let's take a look at Mana because I own some Mana. That makes a lot of sense, a ton of sense. So I'm going to read the next comment while we look at this. Mana crypto, HBAR or Matic, any preference? Long-term HBAR, short-term probably HBAR 2. Now that I think about it, because I think Matic's going to $8 and HBAR to 47.09%. Excellent. I think HBAR is going to $2. So let's see this chart. Okay, yeah, Man is definitely. I wouldn't say definitely, but it should easily get back to its all-time high. So, all right, 1,500 to put in now. Where would you put it? VRA, Telcoin, and Litecoin, and Zilliqa. Will Solana ever beat ETH? Not in market cap, I don't think, but it could outperform ETH between now and whenever. So stake ILV, definitely something to look into. I will at some point. VR8 at $1 would make me half a millionaire. Awesome. Can you show us your current positions? I'm not going to show you my positions. I mean, if you scroll through my TikTok videos, you'll see that there are some videos where I've showed my balances. I mean, I've got like $140,000 in Robinhood, which isn't, a little bit of that is crypto because I made the mistake a long time ago of buying crypto. I've just held on to it. And then I showed my cake position, which is about $60,000. So anyway, did you say Cardano will peak around December, around the same time as Bitcoin? That's my guess. Oh, WhatsApp number. Okay. VRA isn't a 10x now, IMO. It might not be. Yeah, I've been saying that. And then I looked at the chart this morning. I was like, ooh, maybe I should stop saying that. So will you ever short the peak? I'm going to buy puts on Bitcoin miners for stock trading. So, and I might, that might be, I'll cover that in my videos. So RVN, Ravencoin, bullish. Smash up that like button if you can, by the way. But I don't have any price predictions on Ravencoin. Exit strategy, what's your best choice for a stable coin and interest in high interest returns? It just depends on the platform. I've heard Anchor is going to have, it currently has very high interest on stable coins. Celsius has good rates. BlockFi is okay. So let's see. I'm thinking about buying a good chunk of AMP. Should I buy it now or do you see a big dip in the near future? In general, I'm not seeing dips coming. I think that, again, be all in by the end of the month. So top three of top 20 alts. to buy now for best returns in January. Let's take a look at the top 20 alts real quick. Coinmarketcap.com. And I'm going to answer another question before that. So you said that people would take money out of Bitcoin and move them to alts. Is that the same for ETH? Because if so, ETH can't go to 15K in January. It would have to be sooner. I'm not sure what the logic there, Jerry. I'm having a hard time. Is that the same for ETH? If so, ETH can't go to 15K in January. It would have to be sooner. I don't understand why it would have to be sooner. That's the thing that I'm struggling with here. Because, you know, Ethereum peaked 27 days after Bitcoin did in 2017, 2018. And then earlier this year, Bitcoin peaked on April 14th and Ethereum peaked around the same time. All right, so top 20 cryptocurrencies. Let's take a look at this. It's probably more so not top 10 that are gonna perform like crazy. It's probably gonna be some of these ones closer to the bottom. So not necessarily Chainlink. Chainlink isn't that crazy. I wouldn't be surprised if Uniswap did well. Avalanche, yeah, Avalanche. Litecoin, I mean, man, Litecoin and Algorand, I could see both of those doing very well. I think Litecoin is the most suppressed out of all of those. And a lot of these have already pumped. Algorand has pumped a lot lately. Polygon has pumped. Chainlink, not so much, but again, Chainlink's not as volatile. Avalanche has pumped a ton. Uniswap hasn't. So I'm looking at these coins. Luna has pumped a ton. I'm looking at these coins. I'm like, which ones haven't gone crazy yet? Because they will. They will. So is there any chance that utility tokens hold most of their value or even go up during the bear market? I'm not betting on it. I am wondering because Quant and VXV have not had a bear market yet. So it could be maybe, but I don't know. ADA end of year prediction, $8. Keep in mind that NFTs, that they have different seasons. They can dip when ETH rips, especially gas is high to boot. Yeah. Bought a VV comic NFT yesterday for $7 and sold for $220. Whoa. All right. I need to get back into OMI. A few good days ago, Bored Apes floor is 28 ETH or so. Now it's over 35 ETH. There we go. Will Quant be top 10 next bull market? I think so. Yeah. I only have 0.015 Bitcoin. Should I use it to buy TEL? Maybe, maybe not. I mean, if your goal is to acquire more Bitcoin, I think you'll be able to do it over the next couple months. If you're only to invest in one coin for the biggest gains moving forward, what would it be? I mean, for me, it's Litecoin. I've been saying that a lot. So BlockFi announced new rates. Yay. And I'm sure they're lower. Where can you learn about leverage trading and what exactly it is and does? As far as learning it, I don't know, but I did it on KuCoin. So yeah, I don't know. I'm sure somewhere on YouTube you can watch a video on that. Stock up in Solana and Quant during bear market. Any other suggestions? I mean, lots of them. You know, here's probably my biggest rule that I'm going to be paying attention to is like, here's a question to ask yourself. What are the chances that this particular cryptocurrency, let's just say Cardano, what are the chances that Cardano is going to, whatever it peaks at this time around, that it would peak higher in 2025 or 2026? I think chances are very, very likely that Cardano will peak higher in 2025, in 2026, than it does this time around. So if I'm saying $8 for Cardano this time around, maybe in 2025, it would be more like $20. Maybe that's very conservative, but let's just say that's very conservative or that's way too crazy, whatever the case. Let's just say $20. Now, if Cardano peaks at $8, I would expect it to go down about 70%. Last bear market, it went down 97%. I don't expect that this time around because of staking. But let's just say 70% or 75%. 75% would put it right at $2. So if it went down to $2 and then peaked at $20 in the next cycle, those are both very conservative numbers. Then that's a 10x. You know, so Cardano might actually not be a cryptocurrency that I would buy in the bear market. It depends on how low it goes. And that's the big thing. If you believe in a cryptocurrency and it goes lower than where you think it's going to go, then you should start getting pretty greedy in the bear market because that will bounce back. If you believe it's going to bounce back, it'll bounce back higher. So I spent a long time talking about that, but that's very important. How low do you think Shiba will be in the bear market? Oh man, I think that's going to lose about 95, 96% of its value, which is why I'm going to buy a lot of Shiba in the bear market. You said end of the month a lot, end of October or November, end of October. XYO, 20 cents still. Thoughts on Meta Hero? I don't know anything about Meta Hero. If Bitcoin drops at 100K, will Litecoin keep going or crash with it? Litecoin, I mean, a 25% drop will bring down the whole market, but I don't think that the alts will suffer as much because people will be pulling their money out of Bitcoin to an extent. And some of them will just be selling and exiting for the long haul, but some of them will be putting it into alts. VeChain, 50 cents. It will crash with it, but when Bitcoin goes back up, so will Litecoin. Yep. Which coins are most volatile, and is there a way to track volatility? I don't know as far as how to track it. I could throw some out there, I suppose. I don't even know, man. Yeah, I don't have anything for it. Quant's pretty volatile, I'll say that. Let's see. Have I heard of Revolt? I have heard of it, don't know enough about it. So I'm all in 1,800 in Bitcoin. What's the predictions for us? 5X? Not right now. No, not a 5X. A 5X would put it at $315,000 or so. 312,000, nah, no. So 4X, maybe. I'd say more like a 3.5X. Def hasn't gone crazy and it will sooner or later. Yep. All right. Bought an OMI a week ago. Hope it will perform well. Yep. If Litecoin goes to 1,500, its market cap will be over 100 million. I believe so. Let's see. And I mean, there's going to be a lot of irrational things. It'll be right around 100 million. So I want to throw 2Gs into some meme coins. Just don't miss the boat like I did on Shiba. What would you suggest? Man, your research is just as good as mine. I haven't heard a compelling case for anything right now. Aside from like SafeMoon, maybe. SafeMoon, I believe, will at least go back to its all-time high. So let's check out SafeMoon, and I'll answer another question while that loads. King, will you lead us through the buying through a bear market? I mean, I'm making a bear market buying guide, so can the government really go after exchanges with high APR and stable coins? Where's the exchange? You know, is the exchange in the United States or is it somewhere else? I mean, I guess they could ban doing it in the United States. So here we go. SafeMoon's not, it's about what? It's less than half of its all-time high. So at least going back to that, but I'm sure you want more than a 2X. So you got to do your own research. Let's see. What's your Litecoin end of year prediction? January, $1,500. Bought a couple of zombie toads, NFTs. Okay. 0.08 ETH. I want to look that up. I'm going to just type it in here. Zombie toads, NFTs. Maybe I'll buy one. All right. I'm going to just leave that there for after this live stream. I don't own any OMI because I'm not sure how to get it, but I've been going for the comic mints. Pretty much all guaranteed to go up currently. Okay. We sell, should we sell all our bags into the top or leave some moon bags? I'm probably selling about 65% of my crypto. If you don't have a huge portfolio, I would say just sell it all. I mean, my portfolio is at a level and probably will be, you know, by the end that I should probably hold some. You know, if I was a multi-billionaire, I probably wouldn't sell any of my Bitcoin or Ethereum, but then probably sell the rest. So yes. What will you hold during the bear market? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. Any predictions on XLM? $2 to $3. You think we should sell all? Yeah, answered that. HBAR bear market price 30 cents. That sounds about right. Yeah. What price will you start DCA out of Litecoin? I'm not DCAing anything out of Litecoin. No. Over $1,000, I'll start DCAing, but you know, I'm gonna dump it all at some point. How old will Quite go? How low will Quant go? I have no idea. And Quant predictions, I don't have one. Sorry. Solana prediction $600, but Quant has never experienced a bear market. It just hasn't. And so I want to know how low it will go. I hope it goes down to $10 or something. It won't go to $10, but I would cry tears of joy if I could buy $10 Quant. So when do you think start a bear market? Early 2022. XDC, please. Hasn't pumped at all in 6 months. Be patient. It's going to pump. and it'll outperform XLM and XRP on the way up. I know that, Mike. What I'm saying is that sound off. Okay. I've been mining purely ETH. Any suggestions what mineable coin could be next to pop? Ethereum Classic, maybe? You know? Cake predictions, $100. Thoughts on how far in the bear market before buying Bitcoin? About a year. Isn't better to buy new coins that being created in the bear market? Look at this cycle, all the new coins. Jojo, it's more risky too. So yeah, you could talk about quant doing what quant did. You can talk about what else? I mean, VXV did very well, but there's plenty of coins that have been created that you've never heard about, and it would not have been better to buy those. So what year does the next bull market begin? Next Bitcoin halving will be March or April of 2024. And that'll kick things off. So thanks for answering, man. You're awesome. Thank you. You are awesome too. Considering we have Bitcoin, ETH, Litecoin, what would be a medium risk crypto with a good pump 10 to 20x? VR, not VRA anymore. It's been pumping a lot, but Telcoin and Zilliqa. Let's go. New ETH all-time high. Yeah, I mean, you know, we've just kind of been dragging down a little bit over the last few hours, but I'm not worried. Let's pump. 1,000 into Litecoin or Tel. It just depends on your level of risk and your ability to time the peak. So I don't think you're going to be able to time the peak as well as you think you are. And I'm not saying you in particular. So I would say Litecoin, but you know, will Tel outperform Litecoin? It might. Low cap gem. How about Haka? You're welcome. Eva, VXV prediction. I'm still at $100. I'm still saying $100. I'm still into it. What will you do to earn money in the bear market? I mean, I'm self-employed. I have a business that I run, and then I'll keep working on this. I mean, I don't make a ton of money doing this, but you know, scalability with social media presence is a real thing. So, but I mean, if you're asking about yourself, listen, I'm going to be buying puts on Bitcoin miners. I'll ride that down for the first year, and then after that, it'll be time to buy Bitcoin again. So. You said Solana would be around the same price as ETH around 4 years. What would the market cap for Solana be then? Higher than ETH, that's for sure. So let's take a look. I would assume over $1 trillion. All right, Solana's current market cap, 61 billion. So that'd be 20 times 61 billion. That is a $1.2 trillion market cap. That I can totally see that. I could totally see that. Because at that time, like I'm thinking Bitcoin's going to go to $500,000 or $1 million next cycle. What kind of a market cap is that? I mean, 20 trillion. So yeah, 20 times its current one. How about HBAR, and are you in it also? Yeah, $2. Yep. Thank you, Christian. And I am in HBAR. Haka, Senso, FCL, Block, GHX are some low cap gems. There we go. Aave price target, 4 figures, somewhere around there. Getting hard to wait on ADA to pop. ADA will pop. Exit strategy for this run. Do we need to use price target approaches to cash out? And for ETH and Bitcoin, should we hold? I am becoming less convinced that you should hold your Ethereum. And it's because of delays with ETH 2.0. But you should buy it back pretty quickly after the peak. So exit strategy for this run, just be very aggressive in selling. Thank you, Kirsty. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it as well. So you think Solana will dip heavy in bear market? Probably similar with Cardano, about 70% or so. VXV, what's going on? Big drop? I don't know, but I'm not worried about it. People are saying a shorter bear market due to staking and its growth. It's going to be less painful, but it's still going to be pretty rough. So do you think when Litecoin hits over 1,000, you'll be able to sell it on exchanges, or will they be not working? Yeah, I'm not worried about selling Litecoin. I think it'll be fine. So will Solana flip ETH? I don't think so. All right, $1.2 trillion market cap. ETH's market cap is going to be much higher than that. ETH's market cap is a little under half of that right now. So what's it going to be? 4 years from now, I could see it being what, like a $5 trillion market cap, something like that. I am about done. So I'm going to, how do you buy puts on crypto on Bitcoin miners? You got to look up what's it called? Oh my goodness. This is why I'm going to be done soon. Options trading. You got to look up options trading on, just look up a YouTube video. So let's get down to business. That's why I'm in NFTs with a fair amount of my ETH. There we go. VeChain, 50 cents. I think exit strategies are different depending on what you hold. Sell whatever peaks first and maybe put it into something that hasn't moved yet. Yeah, not financial advice. Matic, $8. Vet, 50 cents. Vitalik equals Mark Zuckerberg. I like Vitalik a lot more than Mark Zuckerberg, that's for sure. Which altcoins have the most potential? Man, I'm sorry. That's a lazy question. I'm tired, and so I'm not going to answer that question. Do you think it will be hard to sell some of these low caps on KuCoin and Gate.io when the market peaks? It depends, man. It might, and that's why you get aggressive. Shiba Inu taught us a lesson 2 days ago. You know, Coinbase went down, Voyager struggled. I sold mine on Voyager at the peak, and it depends, you know. Like SHIB was making national news. People were crazy about SHIB at that moment, but other cryptos, it's like, you know, I don't think microcaps are going to make that kind of news, and so maybe not. What are your thoughts on capital gain taxes when you sell your crypto? It's going to be pretty brutal. Just take 20% and leave it in the bank account until you pay your taxes. At least 20%. So, all right, I'm done. Thank you all for your time. I'm going to take a little bit of a break and then go live on TikTok, maybe around 3 p.m. Eastern time, something like that. But thank you all. Again, much love to you all the familiar faces here. Faces. Yeah, smash up that like button. Hey, and if any of you are watching this live stream and you haven't subscribed, I'm 4 subscribers away from 7,000. And I would love to get to 7,000. 4? Only 4? All right. Thank you all.